The purpose of this assignment was to create a student contacts database using Access. So I never used Access before, so most of the stuff we're walking through now is something new that helped me with this project. So the first thing we're going to go to is the file, and we're going to hit new, and we're going to click on a blank database, and we just rename the blank database and hit create. So once we do that, we have our database, and then to create the table, we go to create, and we want to use the contact application part. So we go to here and we click on contacts. So once we do that, our contacts template is here, and we want to delete the fields we don't need. So we go to fields, and we go to view, and we go to design view, and then we just click on the contacts we don't need, such as the company, the job title, the business phone, things like that, and we hit on delete rows. So after we delete all the rows we don't need, we save it, and we go back to our datasheet view, and then we start entering the names of our classmates over here. So we get last name, first name, their email address, phone number, address, city, state, zip code, and for notes we put down the major that we have over here. So once we have that, we can sort it by last name. So we just click here, sort from A to Z. And once we sort it by last name, we can also display only the ones with our business major. So we can click here, and we go to selection, contains business. And there we sorted by students who only have the same majors as us. And so the last thing we do is to delete the queries, forms, and reports. So we just click on this and we hit delete. And we just click on this and delete. And delete over here. So the one thing that really helped me create this project was the application parts. That gave us the template for the contacts, so it made it easier to do this project. And there we have it.